stock crypto credit moves. Good evening, YouTube. September 13th, 2022. Coming back for another quick update with Palm Alliance. Palm Alliance, I'm going to play a quick video and we'll get into the topic. So, guys, as previously discussed, I am in the Balanced Growth Fund and it's paying me $3.40 a day. I've just been adding spare change as I get it into this platform. So I have $400 in here now, and I have a 10-month duration. I started this investment on August the 26th. So it's been about 3 weeks now. I haven't been able to do any withdrawals, but my upline has been in this for several months, and he hasn't had any issue withdrawing. As soon as I can, I will do a withdrawal. So right now I have $17 in accumulated dividends, one active portfolio, $400 as previously mentioned invested, and I have compounding dividend zero, $17 in the wallet. So when it gets to 50, I will reinvest. Just like I said, guys, this platform is very similar to another platform that I talk about on this channel. It's very straightforward. If you want to sustain some long-term income, these platforms are more sustainable as their payouts are not so high that it's not sustainable. And of course, this is the current package that I'm in. It's the Balanced Growth Fund, 0.83% to 0.85% a day. If you compound, it's 0.9. So guys, that's pretty good returns. It's sustainable. It's been around for many years. According to my research anyways. The duration is between 6 to 10 months, so you can compound for 6 months up to 10 months. And if you don't want to, you still can do the daily payment option. However, your returns will be a lot lower. You have a $10,000 value index fund, 50,000 Zenith income stock, Cynical yield stocks 100,000, and of course the returns continue to increase to what they pay out daily. 100,000 is 2.8%. 300,000 corporate bonds, 1.18. High yield blends is 1.58. So they have up to $1 million, which is the high yield blends. So guys, I'm not going to continue to ramble. I just want to keep this opportunity in front of you as it's one that I feel like will be long term, and I definitely feel it's sustainable. However, I'm not your financial advice. What I said is for entertainment purposes only. If you like this content, you can subscribe to the channel, share, hit the notification bell. Until next time, let's increase our cash flow.